Watch this video and learn how to draw a Smurf. Later in the show, Artie receives a call from his friend Senor Loco. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artist? Well, come on, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show.
Hello, Artie. That was a lovely welcome.
Yeah.
What should we do today?
I think we should do a drawing today.
Ooh,
Yeah.
with marker pens and paper.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all!
Are you ready, Artie?
I'm ready.
Ready to make a masterpiece?
Yeah. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's start.
Let's start with our Smurf's eyes. We're going to draw a small circle in the middle of the page on the left side, and we're going to shade it in black. That's it. Now let's do the same on the right side and give our Smurf a nice right eye. Let's add a nice circular shaped nose between the eyes, a little bit like your nose, Artie. Perhaps you're an orange Smurf.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I want to be a Smurf too. That's a great start, Artie. Now let's draw larger circles around the eyes. First the left one. That's it, careful. Very good. And now the right one. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, little artist, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. That was very helpful. Now, Artie, let's draw a big half-circle shape all the way around the eyes. That's it. Come down the right side of the face. There you go. That's it. There you go. Now let's carry on that line all the way under the face, sort of a chin, and give our Smurf a nice big oval-shaped face. Oh, here comes Barry. Hi, Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that's cool. You're a cool cat. Cool cat, cool cat. Once there was a cool cat.
Smurfs have big ears, so let's draw a nice big C shape on the left side of the face and a little curved line inside. That's it. And then on the right side, let's draw a back to front C shape. There you go. And another little curly line inside. I think he needs a mouth. Let's draw a big smile line right underneath the nose. And then another smile-shaped line below. There we go.
Oh, someone's calling. Felt time. Yippee! Felt time. Felt time. Felt time. Hola, Senor Loco. Wow, you're looking extra colorful today.
Hi, Artie. Hola. Hola, mi amigo. I'm always colorful. Red, green, yellow. I'm kind of like a rainbow.
You really are. Your feathers are amazing. You'd make a perfect inspiration for one of my art projects.
An art project? Oh, so exciting. Tell me all about it.
What if I drew a parrot just like you with all of your bright colors?
Oh, I love it. But don't forget my mustard yellow beak. Es muy importante because, you know, it's the profile, Artie. For television and film comedy, very important.
Got it. Mustard beak. Your feathers are like a rainbow. Red, yellow, green. So pretty.
Exactamente. I'm an art lesson in living color. You see, Artie, that's why I like you. Because I think you're a real artista. You see art everywhere. Even in a parrot with a mustache that's a little cuckoo. Like me.
Oh, Senor Loco, you're like a piece of art flying all around.
Artie, you see beauty in everything, even me. Now promise me that you'll add a little sparkle to the feathers in your creation, no?
I promise I'll make the sparkliest parrot ever.
Fantastico! I can't wait to see it. Okay, adios, Artie. Yeah, keep coloring the world. Colorea el mundo.
Adios, Senor Loco. Bye-bye.
That was great.
Yeah.
I love when you get felt times. Okay, let's carry on with the drawing now. Let's draw a little tongue across the bottom of the mouth and then shade in the inside black. All the way across. That's it, Artie. He's looking great already. Keep watching to see Artie take a potty break. Yuck. Now let's draw our Smurf's famous hat. A big sweeping curve, and then at the top, curl back in, a sort of spiral shape. That's it, curl back in, Artie. There you go. Add a smile-shaped curve line underneath. And then another curved line on the right side. And now our Smurf has a hat. As easy as that. Uh-oh.
Painty! Oh, no! Go away! No! Painty, no! No! Oh.
Barry, it's not funny at all. Now I'm going to have to clean that blue paint up. It's all over the floor. There's a little bit on the wall over here. Ugh, painty. Let's add a left arm to our Smurf. A straight line coming down from the head. Some cute little fingers. And then a straight line going back up.
Artie needs something.
Oh, what do you need, Artie?
Artie needs potty break.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah, potty break.
Go on then.
Artie, go potty?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Okay.
Other way.
That way. Okay, Artie good now.
All done?
Back to drawing.
Okay, come on. Now let's add a curved line on the right for the right side of our Smurf's body, and then a right arm. Same as last time, straight line, some cute little fingers, and then a straight line going back up to the body. Let's add a little half circle on the left, and another one on the right, and then connect the two with a line. That's the top of our Smurf's pants. Add another line just underneath. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Wow, you are so talented.
Thank you.
I admire you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wow, Artie, Bunny really admires you. Well, let's add our Smurf's left foot, or shoe. That's it. Little heel, and then back up. Perfect. Can you do the same on the right side? Try and make it match the left side as best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. And connect those two lines in the middle. And now he has pants. Great job, Artie.
I finished.
Oh, this Smurf looks amazing.
Yeah,
Do you like it?
I'm really happy with it.
Oh, good.
It looks great.
It does? Good job.
Say, Artie, I think it needs some color.
Awesome work, Artie. Looks great.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Sure does.
I love all the colours.
Very blue.
Yeah.
Are you proud of this
Oh,
one?
I'm very proud.
Aw,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.